In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update Jira issues. If you're managing projects with numerous issues that need simultaneous updating, this guide will streamline your workflow and save you considerable time. Let's get started. First, navigate to the project you're going to be working on. Once you're there, click on issues located at the top of the screen. This will lead you to the list of existing issues within this particular project, providing you with a comprehensive view of what you'll be working with. Next, to make your search more efficient, switch to basic mode by clicking on the basic option. This mode simplifies the process, making it easier to filter and find the specific issues you're looking to update. For our demonstration, let's focus on updating issues that are currently in progress. To filter these particular issues, click on the status drop-down menu and go ahead and select in progress. This will refine your list, showing only those issues that need attention. Once you've narrowed down your selection, move over to the three dots icon on the right hand side, click on it, and from the drop down menu, choose the bulk change issues option. Now it's time to pick the specific issues that you wish to edit. Carefully review your list and select the ones that need updates. Once you've made your selection, click on Next to proceed. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of operation you'd like to perform. For this purpose, we're going to select Edit Issues. This action will allow us to update multiple issues at once with the same set of changes. Click Next to move forward. At this stage, you will need to select the field or fields you wish to update. These could include the assignee, priority, status, labels, or any other field relevant to your needs. Consider which fields will be crucial for your bulk update and select accordingly. After selecting your fields, the next step is to enter the new values for the fields you've chosen to update. Ensure that these values are correct, as they will apply to all selected issues simultaneously. Now click Next to proceed to the review stage. It's essential at this point to carefully review all your selected issues and the corresponding changes. Taking a few extra moments to double check your work can prevent potential errors. Once you're satisfied with your review, click Confirm to finalize the update process. Your selected issues will now be updated with the new values you've entered. And there you have it, an efficient way to perform bulk updates on Jira issues. By following these steps, you can better manage your project workload, ensuring that your issues stay up to date with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.